Yeah, hello guys, what up? If you don't know me, my name is Fadil, and today we're going to continue our project, Evernote project. So, yeah, the plan is we want to migrate our front end from Create Drag app to use Next.js. Okay, so yeah, that's the plan. But first, I want to update our Makefile or Docker Compose, um, so that we only want to yeah we want to update this one, so we only want to run Docker. We only want to run uh, the MySQL service from the Docker Compose when in the development mode, because as far as I know that as I remember, yeah, when we run with this one, build run dev and run dev, uh, it's kind of hard when in the development mode, because every time we add new library, either in the server and web, we have to build our Docker file and then uh, run it again uh, from the Docker Compose. We don't want that because it's kind of uh, takes more time. So we only want to run the uh, MySQL service. Yeah. 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 um, so I think we can just leave this as it be, and we want to make new Docker file, maybe Docker Compose dev YAML. um, yeah, that's it. Um, when using Docker, you want to build your image when when it's going to the production. But in the development mode, you don't want to uh, build your image every time you want. Yeah, you add new library. As what I'm saying earlier, that takes more time and not good for the development process. So we want to only run the uh, MySQL service only, not the client and web, uh, server and web. So we copy this and we copy this one, the volumes. Okay. We want to update this the make file. Okay. Want to add new one for the development mode. We run db. We said that the name is run db, and we want to docker compose with the file docker compose.dev YAML up. Okay, let's try it. Up, make run db. Uh, Wait. MySQL refers to undefined network. Oh, oh yes, we want to copy the network also, but honestly, it doesn't use this network, so I'll just delete the network from the service. Okay, it's done, and we want to run the server yarn and run the client. Let's see the project. Okay, it works. Let's sign up. Oh, okay, it works. So let's generate our project. This one, yeah. Going to use the the latest TypeScript with TypeScript template. Okay, we open this one, the new one. Uh, create next app latest. Let's call it client. Oh yeah, it's done. Uh, let's try to run it. Let's close this and close this. Let's move to the client. Uh, yarn dev. Okay, and then let's open the project. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's see the code. Okay, first, I think that we need to install our libraries from the Create app. Let's see what we can install. Make sure you move to the client folder, open a new terminal, and move to the client, and then we choose what we want to install. In this case, Apollo client, yes, and then emotion, no, because in this time we want to use style component. So I just add this style components and Apollo link this TJS GraphQL. Uh, okay, moment we don't need moment because we will use TJS, and then record form, red icons, well, and then also we don't need this because because this uh, make problems in the Next.js. So we will make a custom function to strip HTML later. Okay, that's it. We enter. Yeah, it's done. and we want to copy the old files, maybe just this one, copy to the space. Okay. Yeah. First we want to update this one, global style. We will be using the style component. I think style components needs type devs. Yeah, we need to install this first. The flag D means that this will be installed in the dev components here, so it will be used on the development mode only. And from style component, we gonna use create global style, and then in here you want to delete this. You want to get this global style and paste this in here, and remove this. I want to export this. Okay. Okay, we want to import this inside the app here. So let's just wrap this with fragment and then add the global style here. Okay, just like that. And move on to the next component. This one is also from style component. I think we can copy this, copy and paste in here. And this one, okay, we are gonna make this custom function in the strip text. Let's call it strip HTML, and then we go to the helpers and the strip text. Let's change this to text, and then export. Let's make the function okay. We accept HTML in here, and then we want to create this new DOM parser, parse from string. That will be HTML and text HTML. Then we want to return doc dot body dot text content or blank. This would be string. Okay, and then we back to this fixing the imports in the components, and can find okay, this should be auth text. Okay, and okay, this one should this, and the okay. That's it. And oh, loading also, remove this keyframes, can import from style component. Move on. Application, use history, we don't need this. We can use next router, use router. Okay, this. We gonna fix the import problem here. Gonna clean it up. Use effect. Okay. Okay, move on. This one, style it. Component. Okay, the components is done. Yeah, if you got a problem like this, uh, just press Ctrl Shift P and choose the restart TS server. See, it will restart the TypeScript for the VS Code, and the error will be gone. Okay, next one we want to set up the Apollo client, Apollo client.ts. Okay, we want to copy all of the Apollo setup from the Create React app. Want to copy this and paste it in here, and copy also the imports, then we can clean it up later. Also, we want to set the environment variables, so we get this, copy this, and put it in the next config.js. Should be ends, and let's call it remove the React app. Yeah. Okay. Save it and move to here. Remove this and this, and app also. This one. This should be express. Okay. This should be from this. Okay. Want to export this? Yeah, I think that's it. Save it, and then we go to the pages in here. Here, okay, we want to wrap this with Apollo provider, and want to set the client from the client. Okay. Yeah, this is okay. You want to make the documents .tsx, and you can find the template from here. This one still error. Let's find the document document Next.js, and you just copy the template here. Okay, and then we want to add the setup, so this should be document context. Okay, for the next for the style component, we want to in here get initial props. We want to set the sheet it would be server style sheet from style component. Okay, and then let's okay, that's okay. Want to make we want to get the original render page function from the context render page. Then we want to try catch cons oh, no, no, context render page. This set to function that returning original render page, hence app that get the app, and we return with the props and sheet collect styles, and to spread the props here. Okay, this one should be in here. Yeah, this, and here I want to set style. Oh, I think it's styles. Yeah, styles. Where we already export. Okay, this can be like this. Initial props styles, and then sheet style element. Okay, like this. uh, Type of document. Mhm. Let's leave it like this, and then we don't expect to catch an error, so to set finally sheet seal. Okay, the error is gone, and then uh, okay, it's okay. Yeah, that's it. Let's try to uh, make the page, maybe one page that is login. Yeah, so this one is should be in the page. Yeah, so in the Next.js, we can automatically make routes when we make a component inside the page. So the login will be will make a route login for the from the Next.js. So we can copy this and paste it in here. Okay, this set is to styled component, and we can remove this, import link from next link, and I think we need the from next router, use router. Okay, remove this, and okay, in here we can remove this props. Yeah, and set this to default export. So because that's what Next.js needs, and can set this to history, or yeah, maybe history from or cons router, use router. Can set this push or replace, yeah. Okay, this is uh, let's just make a quick fix. Adding this easily disable for uh, the image element in the next. Okay, this one is error. History post, yeah, let's make this history. Okay, still loading. Okay, I think that's it. Let's try to run it. I think it's already run. Let's restart. There's a problem. Yeah, okay. Let's fix this first in the helpers out. I think there's from here. Express URL. This one should be token and express URL. I think we don't need that. Express URL. Yeah, don't need. Okay. Save it all. Okay, it's compiling. Let's see. This one is the index page from here, and we go to the login. There's an error. Oh, this. Let's just use this. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah, and the link should be href. Then sign up. Uh, there's still error. Oh, express URL. Okay, import this from our client. Okay, save it. Okay, no error, and we go to the login page. Okay, it's working. Let's fix the style first. We go to the, I think this one is from wrapper. Let's set this to the VH, so it will 100 viewports, 100 height of the view of the browser. Okay, it's working. Let's move on to the sign up. This X, and copy the sign up here and paste it here, and let's copy from the login what we need. I think this, yeah. Oh, this one. Okay, and then we move this and then copy this. This router. Copy. Okay, then we add the quick fix again. This one means that it recommends you to use the image component from Next.js. Image here. But I don't use it in here, so feel free to use that. So I just need to add this next no image element and the link also. Okay, that's it. Let's try. Oh yeah, the default also you need to did this. Okay, it's working. Don't have an account. Sign up here. I have an account. Already have an account. Log in here. Okay, let's add the home page. Uh, Copy this. Paste it in here. Set this to start and yeah, next router. Use router. Export default and turn use router that replace login. Scout unconditionally. Anyway, component. Oh, okay, you can use it something like that. So use router, then replace. Okay. There will be a lot of error here. So let's see. And in the list notes here. Okay. Okay, this is the one. Okay, it's playing. Refresh. Okay, document is not defined because yeah. How do we fix this? Let's see. In the index, what is navigation? Okay, use router. In the files, it's not. Let's restart. Let's try to restart the server, or maybe remove the .next, then yarn dev like yarn dev again, and refresh it. Okay. Reference document is not defined. Oh yeah, I think we need to make the Babel RC first. Babel RC, and we want to set the plugins. Plugins. This thing that should be an array and styled components and an object that says SSR set to true, display name, and pre-process false, like this. Yeah. Let's restart. Oh yeah, also we need to update this because requel needs to be rendered from the client, I think. So we need to dynamic from the Next.js. Set this dynamic and import and set this to SSR false. I think this problem. Okay. Let's stop this and maybe update our uh, set to preset next Babel. Let's start it again. Okay, go back. Okay. No router instance found. Oh, okay. So in this thing in the where is this page index? Let's comment this first. Then go to this one. Okay, it's working. Uh, let's update this. Update title. Saving. Okay. This is your content. Okay, it's working. I think this have a padding problem here. Uh, let's update that in the navigation. I think in you can check the padding from here. It's from nav menu. This one. Things can set the padding 0. Okay, fix. Let's log out. Okay, not authenticated. Okay, I think it's from where? I think this one, reset store. I think we need to uh, where's the out? I think this one reset store, and we need to stop the Apollo, stop and the reset store, and I think in this one is also yeah, stop. Let's refresh. Oh, I think there's problem in here. Let's remove the .next. Run the dev again. Okay, add notes. Okay, log out. I think this one is from this, I think. And it's from this. the navigation, I think. So got error. Up. So if not error, so we want to replace. Okay, let's try. Let's try it again. This. I think this one is from login, maybe. I think this one. Let's comment this. Fresh logout. I think that is come from here, yeah. The login accessing this one, I think, but it's not submitting. Or maybe from here. I think this one. Let's remove this and add quick fix. I think when we log out, they're still updating the nodes, and we got the not authorized because we already log out from the server, but we want to update from the client. So let's try to clean run. Okay, refresh. Okay. Okay, it's working. Okay, it's working. Oh, no. Wait, refresh answers handler. This one, I think it's because the debounce. It's from the debounce function. Let's remove this. And the dependencies. This one is also application. Oh, this one is from the web, so it's okay. Okay, open this. Let's try it. Refresh. Login. Okay, log out. Okay, it's working. So, oh god, okay, there's no error. Okay, I think we need to handle the authentication problem here. The guard, you must add update the guards here. In here, like um, let's try to add this again. T use router so that we can Next router, okay. Hmm, I don't know about this. I think we need to like make I don't know. Maybe want to check is the server. So we want type of window uh, same as undefined. So if window it does not exist, so it will it means in the we are in the server. This condition okay. Let's try to use this maybe uh, in the index and is not on the server. Up. Okay. Uh, I think we can. This should be in set to use effect maybe. Uh, and I think that we can do something like this. If process dot browser, then we want to replace promise. Okay, refresh. Let's check. Okay, it's working. Then let's turn back. I think this is we can. I think we can leave it like this. So in this. Oh, sorry. We need to check this. Yeah. If to replace. Okay. So we if we log in, then it's okay. If we go to the login, okay, we need to redirect that in the login. Okay, this one is also need to be in the use effect. You can use it something like this. Login. Okay. We can copy this uh, to here. Okay, not defined. Oh, can find them. Not defined. Not take it. Okay. Sign up. Okay. It's good. It's good. Uh, done. Migrating. Okay. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I don't know. What will be new updates that from this project that we will gonna do in the future. So yeah, maybe we want to make the mobile apps or deploying it deploying it to production. I don't know. Uh, yeah, let's see. And that's it, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you guys again in the next video. Bye bye.